Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to a journey where taste meets safety. The kitchen is the heart of our homes, a place filled with love and laughter. It's where we cook, eat, and make memories with family and friends, creating bonds that last a lifetime. But it's also a place where we need to be careful. Safety in the kitchen is just as important as the recipes we follow. We use lots of different things in our kitchens every day, from sharp knives to hot stoves. Some of these things, if we're not careful, can actually be harmful to our health. Yikes, but don't worry, it's easy to stay safe. Don't worry though, I'm here to give you the scoop on staying safe. With a few simple tips, you can keep your kitchen a safe haven. This isn't about scaring anyone, it's about making sure we're all smart cooks. Being aware and prepared makes all the difference. Just like we follow recipes for delicious meals, there are simple steps for healthy kitchens too. Clean as you go and always wash your hands. Let's get cooking, safely. Together we can make our kitchens a place of joy and safety. Okay, so why is kitchen safety such a big deal? Well, think about it, we're dealing with food, right? And food can sometimes have tiny, invisible guests called bacteria. These bacteria are so small we can't even see them. But if they get into our bodies, they can make us sick. Nobody wants an upset stomach or worse. That's why we gotta be extra careful in the kitchen. Washing our hands, cleaning up spills right away, and storing food properly are all like superhero moves against those pesky bacteria. Remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and a healthy one too. Sponges. We all have them in our kitchens and we rely on them every day. They're our trusty helpers for cleaning up spills and messes, making our lives a little bit easier. But here's the thing, sponges are like little hotels for bacteria. You might not see it, but they're there. They're damp, they often have food particles on them, and that makes them the perfect breeding ground for those tiny troublemakers. Bacteria thrive in these conditions. Using a dirty sponge is like spreading bacteria all over your dishes and countertops. No thanks. It's like inviting germs to a party in your kitchen. The good news is, we can easily keep those sponges in check. It's not hard to do. Rinse your sponge with hot water after each use and wring it out tightly. This helps to remove food particles and excess moisture. Even better, pop it in the microwave for a minute or toss it in the dishwasher to give it a good sanitizing. This kills most of the bacteria, and don't forget to replace your sponge regularly. A fresh sponge means a cleaner kitchen and fewer bacteria. Section 4. Raw meat. Handle with care from fridge to plate. It's crucial to understand the importance of proper handling to ensure food safety and prevent foodborne illnesses. Raw meat, poultry, and seafood can sometimes carry harmful bacteria. These bacteria are invisible to the naked eye but can cause serious health issues if not managed correctly. We love a good burger or chicken stir-fry, but we need to be careful when handling raw meat to avoid cross-contamination, which is a fancy way of saying spreading those bacteria to other foods or surfaces. Cross-contamination can happen easily if we're not vigilant. Always wash your hands thoroughly with hot, soapy water before and after handling raw meat. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of spreading harmful bacteria. Use separate cutting boards for raw meat and other ingredients like veggies. This prevents the bacteria from raw meat from contaminating your fresh produce, and never ever wash raw meat in the sink. Washing meat can cause bacteria-laden water to splash around your kitchen, contaminating surfaces and utensils. This can splash bacteria around your kitchen. Instead, cook the meat thoroughly to kill any bacteria present. When cooking, make sure the meat reaches a safe internal temperature to kill any harmful bacteria. Different meats have different safe temperatures, so it's important to know the right one for what you're cooking. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. It ensures that your meat is cooked to the right temperature, making it safe to eat. And remember, when in doubt, throw it out. If you're unsure about the safety of your meat, it's better to be safe than sorry. Proper handling from fridge to plate is key to enjoying delicious and safe meals. Section 5. Cleaning supplies. Your helpers need boundaries. Cleaning products are our allies in the fight against dirt and grime, but just like some ingredients don't mix well in recipes, some cleaning products can be dangerous if mixed together. For example, mixing bleach and ammonia can create toxic fumes. Yikes! Always store cleaning products separately from food and keep them out of reach of children and pets. When you're done cleaning, make sure to close those lids tight and put those bottles away. And here's a tip. When you're cleaning, open a window for some fresh air. It's always a good idea to let those fumes escape. Section 6. Smart habits for a happy and healthy kitchen. So, there you have it, folks. Keeping our kitchen safe and healthy doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about adopting simple habits that become second nature. Wash your hands, clean those sponges, handle raw meat with care, and be mindful of your cleaning products. By following these easy tips, you can enjoy delicious and worry-free meals with your loved ones. Remember, a little bit of prevention goes a long way in the kitchen. Now go on and get cooking safely.